button mapping, and reverse control. Function mapping. Click directly on any knob or button on the 3D model, and a function menu will automatically pop up on the right. Velo OBD reverse control. Through the Velo OBD module, you can get original car data like temperature and RPM, and for some models, even clear fault codes with one click. Velo Switch, BCM, and LCM also support mapping original functions like horn, high, low beams, or TC, or controlling aftermarket accessories like air suspension, underglow, or DRS wings. For details on Velo Switch and other wireless accessories, please check the Zestek Velo Series tutorials. Configuration management. If you have different driving scenarios, like street versus track, click Export to save your current settings. Next time, just click Input to instantly restore the whole setup.